guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we're going to learn Little Birdie from Charlie Brown Thanksgiving. And this is a pretty tricky riff if you're doing it in standard tuning. If you're a beginner, I would suggest tuning down to E flat. Grab your favorite tuner and just tune it down to E flat. And you can play this a little bit easier. And I'll have a video coming out a little later to show you how to do that one. Today we're going to do it in the original key in standard tuning, and we're basically going to be doing that bass part that you hear going throughout the song. And so we're going to start on the 4th fret. So get your guitar ready, make sure you're tuned, and before we get to that, right now I'm doing a sale on my guitar lessons so that if you sign up for the membership right now, you can get a year worth of private lessons with me, one per month, for a whole year for free. And that's just if you sign up for the membership. And the membership itself includes a bunch of tabs and tips on how to play a lot of the songs on the YouTube channel, plus things that are not on the YouTube channel. It'll give you the chance to sign up for group lessons and things like that. So there's some really cool stuff coming up over the next couple of weeks. Got a lot of Christmas things coming up all the way through December. A new song every day. And if you're looking for something to learn right now, before I start releasing new Christmas stuff, I did a Christmas in July. So check that out, and I hope you guys are having a happy Thanksgiving break. Let's get into Little Birdie. So we're going to start on the 4th fret, and we're basically doing an A flat major type scale. And what's cool about learning this riff is it's going to be very similar to another riff that we have coming up from Charlie Brown Christmas. So this is Charlie Brown Thanksgiving, Little Birdie, and this riff, if you can play this one, then some of the things that you're doing and some of the notes that you're doing will translate over to the Linus and Lucy theme as well. So let me just show you what we're doing, and then I'll go over what I'm actually doing. So it goes like this. Alright, so let's go over it. So we're going to start on the 4th fret, and then you're going to go to the 3rd fret. So we're 4th fret on the low E string, and then you're going to go to the 3rd fret on the A string, and you're going to hammer on. And this is the tricky part if you're a beginner and you don't use your pinky as much. You should do some exercises to get used to using your pinky, but if you don't do it as much, it might not be as strong, so this hammer-on might be kind of hard for you. So you're going to go 4th, and then you're going to hammer on from 3rd all the way to the 6th. And then you're going to go to the 3rd on the D. And then hammer on again. Then 3rd on the D, and then 6th on the A, then 3rd on the D. And that's it. You're just going to do that motion here and then move down to the 2nd fret and do that same motion. So again, 4th, 3rd, 6th, 3rd, then you go back down to the 2nd, and so with this one I'm just taking that same motion and I'm doing it just lower. So now I'm on the 2nd fret, so I play 2nd, then 1st to the 4th, then 1st on D, then hammer on again, 1st to 4th, then 1st, then 4th, then 1st. Okay, so let's try that really slow together, and there will be a tab following this that you can play along with. 1, 2, ready, and... Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that. Sign up for those lessons to get the free private lessons with me. Can't wait to hear from you. And also have a happy Thanksgiving. Stay tuned for the play-alongs after this video. See you next time.